welcome to NG FIRESTOP. This is a shower. So this is the top, and that's, I would say this is the above one, and this will be below. So this one go to the next floor down. The one that I'm doing right now is connected to the 5th floor, so the floor above. So mostly all the showers and the bathtubs with plastic, it's gotta be done from below. When I say below, I mean below, like this one. If I'm doing this one, I gotta go do it underneath because I cannot get it from here. So that's why we go below it and do it. So this one might be a little bit different than the one that I show in some of my videos because the gap is big. Maybe it's about 4 inches. So sometimes this one, if you don't have the proper material, it will be hard to do. So always look at the insulation and see the sides are not the same. You can see a little bit different. So the smooth side, that will be facing you. Push it inside like this. Never fire stop this side. This is not the right side to fire stop. The material will not even stick on this side. The same thing as that side. So you look at this one and that one. The smoother side, you push it in like this. So since it's this, the hole is bigger than the one that I showed. That one was like a 2 inches hole, and this one is 4 inches. So if you don't do it properly, the material will be falling down when you are doing. So you don't want to experience that. That will make you that will make you think like not coming to work the next day. Yeah, because you're gonna do a lot of mess around the pipes and yourself and the bathtub and the shower itself because it's not covered. So this one, make sure you pack it nice, as you can see. So when you apply the FIRESTOP, it will be much easier for you. Don't try to just push the insulation and try to rush it. The uglier it is, the uglier the job is gonna be. So let me guys show you the next steps. So over here I was having a little bit problem with the inspector. So some of the one that I did, I have to go back and redo them. So I'll tell you what the inspector was looking for. Because every inspector is different. Some are a little bit easygoing, some of them they want to go according to the book. What not everybody is following that, even they themselves not following the book. So wrap, you strap around it, okay. And push it up, okay, like this. So you can see this little gap here. This one, that's what they complain about, where they connect, they join. So they overlap here. So that little gap, this is what he was complaining about. So I find a solution, trying to make it works. So when I finish, I try to cut a little bit piece and push it inside here. So you won't see any gap when it comes next time. So now I'm applying the silicone. I'm gonna tool it. So I have all size of tools which make it easy. Trying to tap it like this. Because when you don't tap it like that, sometimes it's trying to come off. So I tap it like this. If there's any way that I need to add, I will add more.